Hi, this is Mark Costales with the Costales Team. How can I help you?
Hi, where are you? What are you doing?
Oh, hey. I'm here in Oakland, the Diamond District.
I just got done getting gas. I'm gonna go pick up some groceries from Farmer Joe's and probably pick up some food at one of these restaurants, then go to the bank. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm nearby. I'm in Laurel District, near the World Ground Cafe. I just came from KFC and the nail shop and was gonna check out some other stores. Well, since we're both in the area, I wanted to show you my new listing at 2917 MacArthur Boulevard, unit number 2J. If you walk on MacArthur, you'll find that it's in between both Laurel and Diamond District. Can you meet me right now?
Okay, I'm walking now.
Okay, I'm walking now. See you soon.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
So follow me and I'll tell you about this unit. Located in the sought-after Diamond District, in a secure building with intercom, this charming one-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom condo greets you with 696 square feet of ample living space. The unit has been updated and features wood floors, recessed lighting, neutral paint colors, crown molding, wainscoting, and a wood-burning fireplace with intricate mantle and wood detailing. The spacious bedroom has its own private bathroom with updated tile shower, 2 closets, and mirrored closet doors. Adding to the appeal of this home is an in-unit washer and dryer, private balcony, assigned parking in the secure parking garage, and a convenient commuter location with easy access to highways 580 and 13, AC Transit, BART, Transbay bus, casual carpool, and is minutes away from grocery stores, restaurants, and so much more. So that concludes the tour of my newest listing. If you'd like a private showing of this home or any home on the MLS, please feel free to contact me. And if you're a seller that's looking to maximize their home value and get the highest price in the shortest amount of time, please feel free to contact me for a no obligation consultation. Thanks so much and make it a great day.